Guys, namhlanje sila umkhonto wesizwe political party. Bathi kuyavutha kumkhonto akukho mnandi. Umkhonto ugwaza ekhaya bagwazana bodwa. Before siyakude guys, have you seen that interview yakababu uJabulani Khumalo lapha ku Political Incorrect? There's a small clip engifuna undlalela yona whereby he was saying ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe political parties unama party I2, the one that is registered with the CIPC and the other one that is registered with the CIPC and the IEC. So make sure you watch this video to the end. But siyakude, let's start la kubabu Jabulani Khumalo, the founder or the ex-founder of umkhonto wesizwe political party la bekakhuluma khona noMashiyane lapha ku Political Incorrect. You can also go to YouTube and watch the full interview of this Ubabu Jabulani Khumalo.
I don't think their mind is working well anymore. But what I want to say is that there is that two different parties. But what you need to understand, MK Umkhonto wesizwe is not registered with IEC. It's just registered with the CIPC, and that's where it is. And also it has never advertised our name, our logo, our abbreviation. It's only Umkhonto wesizwe part that did that, which is the original company to IEC and also to CIPC. So that's the difference. So people must not be confused. Zuma has got his TOEFL. This called Umkhonto wesizwe. It's a, if they want, I can supply them with the certificate. They've got the certificate already. It's him, Tutuzile, and his son.
Wait, you said it's Zuma, Tutuzile, and Suzanne.
No, the other son.
Which one?
I can't remember his name, but he's got another son that is involved in the MK.
Are you alleging that this thing of saying Umkhonto wesizwe is a family business, it's there in
it's there, it's live. There is that stopfed that they have that is registered with the CIPC. They've got it.
Bless, I'll make a none. Umeli Party has been alleging that for the longest of time that for a good succession of the party, Duduzane must become the deputy president of Umkhonto wesizwe. She was fighting it when she was within, and she's still doing it when she's out. And I spoke to her for her to explain what did she want. Would it surprise you if someone announces Duduzane Zuma as the deputy president of Umkhonto wesizwe?
I'm sorry, you're very late yet. You're very late. It's already there. It's there.
Duduzane Zuma is already the deputy president.
The deputy president of Zuma.
He's been appointed.
He's been appointed.
We just don't know yet because they have not explained.
Yeah. I think what happened here, we're supposed to have the press briefing yesterday, but it did not happen.
Let me know in the comment section ukuthi nina nicabangani about this interview or these allegations ezenzwa ngubabu Jabulani Khumalo ukuthi iMKP is divided into two. So let me know in the comment section ukuthi nina nicabangani. But mina, here's one thing that I want to share with you. Sometimes mina, I don't just dispute umuntu nakakhulumako. I would prefer ukuthi, man, let me have some facts. Let me go and find the real information ukuthi ingabe lento ekhulunywa ngubabu Jabulani Khumalo, is it the truth? Then guys, ngaya eCIPC ngathi can you confirm ukuthi ubabu Jabulani Khumalo ukhuluma iqiniso noma ukhuluma amanga na? Then when you go to SCIPC and you search umkhonto wesizwe political party, ngithe yazini, let's start with this one, lo mkhonto lo niyawubona lo ogcina ngo590. Kesibona ukuthi bobani ama director on that company, because we just want to know ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe political party lo osetshenziswa eCIPC bobani ama director kakhona njengokusho kwababu Jabulani Khumalo. And then definitely that company, it's registered lapha eShowe in KZN. And then if you go to an enterprise history, kuyavela ukuthi vele ubabu Jabulani Khumalo, he's the director, like founder of this umkhonto wesizwe party. Guys, let's be honest, kusho ukuthi ubaba uJabulani Khumalo akakhuluma amanga ukhuluma iqiniso. And then as well as these are the directors of that Umkhonto Wesizwe party. So kusho ukuthini ubaba uJabulani Khumalo, he was speaking the truth. But if you look at the enterprise history or like the way ama events enzeka ngakhona on this enterprise, ubaba uJabulani Khumalo was removed as the director last year, I think around December, on this enterprise. So the verdict of this story kusho ukuthi uJabulani, he was correct about this enterprise. And then let's look at another Umkhonto Wesizwe. This one, niyawubona lo waka 2019 577501. Athi sicheke wona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaphakathi kwale company. Most interesting about this one, if you look at the address ukuthi i-register kuphi, kwaNxamalala, back to Enkandla. This one it belongs to kuphi, Enkandla. And then let's check ukuthi bobani abaphethe this Umkhonto Wesizwe. Nazo do I need to say more, guys? There's nothing to say more. Kusho ukuthini ubaba uJabulani Khumalo was also correct about this one. It's a family business. Babu Jacob Zuma, Dudu Zile, no Thembaletu Zuma. So I don't know what in guys. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this revelation. So Umkhonto Wesizwe political party. Kunomkhonto Wesizwe political party law okhona or operate how. But there's another Umkhonto Wesizwe political party of which it's a family business. But if you can go and listen to that interview, that whole interview, uJabulani Khumalo also emphasized ukuthi uDudu Zile, is it Duduzane or Dudu Zile? He's the deputy, because he's also saying ukuthi uHlophe is gone. uHlophe even resigned. Lapha kumkhonto wesizwe political party doesn't exist. So let me know in the comment section ukuthi nina ngicabangani, because the way kungakhona manje umkhonto ugwaza ekhaya bagwazana bodwa ke manje akusimnandi at all. Asihlangane ku comment section.